Hi guys, it's that time again. I'm doing another Whitney Houston look. This look, it comes from an award show performance, and I want to see, can you guess? So I'm going to start the same process. I'm going to make a wig, or I'm using this Barbie doll for the foundation to make the wig, and I'll be back with the next step. Okay, next I had this old Barbie doll dress that I had bought off online. It was a used dress and it came kind of raggedy a little bit, but I'm going to cut it and I'm going to add the bottom as a ruffle piece on the dress, and we'll be back. Next I'll just be using these adorable Barbie heels. I had it from my Barbie doll collection for the heels, for the look, for the outfit, and we'll be back with the next step. Okay, I cut the dress in half and I'm going to use the bottom part as the ruffle piece. And we should be back with the finishing looks. Ta-da! Did y'all guess right? This is Whitney Houston, Where Do Broken Hearts Go, 1988 American Music Awards. I hope you like this episode. I hope you like these videos. This doll is not going to be permanent. This is another doll that I use just for different looks. I tried to do the background and did the hair. The hair had to, oh my gosh, I had to really cut the hair down. The dress came out beautiful. I love it. And the shoes, look at the shoes. I think she came out wonderful. What you think? What y'all guys think? I think she came out wonderful. Leave in the comments down below what you think about this doll. Am I getting better? Anyway, it's your girl Lola loves you, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.